Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to be cutting my own bangs. That's right. I usually cut my own bangs. I've been doing it for years, so this isn't really anything like new. I just thought I'd share it with you guys. But yeah, I just get so bored with my hair and like I just need change like that. I mean, I just do my best and just do what I could do to make it look good. I have seasons where I want bangs and then seasons where I like literally grow my bangs out so long and I'm doing good. I'm trying to reach my goals of just having one hair length like evenly. Today is one of those days where I feel like I want my bangs back, and that's exactly what I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna do them now because I want my bangs now. If you guys want to see how I cut them, then stick around. Alright, so I'm just gonna jump right into it, I guess. I have combed my hair. So the first step, I'm actually not gonna tell you guys what to do because I'm no professional whatsoever. I'm not a hairstylist. I'm not any of that. So yeah, I'm not gonna be telling you what to do because I wouldn't recommend it. Just do it at your own risk if you really want to. But this is how I've been doing it. So yeah. I part it down the middle. So this is where my bangs are at, guys. Like, they're all the way down to my chin. You see that? I don't know if I want to do the same thickness, honestly, so I'm gonna have to take some away. So you could see where I had my triangle. Yeah, okay. So I'm just gonna start small, honestly. And have it like this. And what I do is I just take the flat iron because my middle part is honestly just getting in the way. So I usually just like, that didn't help. So I have all of this that I would work with. I look crazy. This is the part that gets me, where I grab my scissors. What I start off with is I cut it up to my nose right here. That's a lot of hair. And what I do as well is I comb it out straight though first. And then I twist it twice. And then I go ahead and cut. Okay. Yeah, it looks really bad right now, but you just gotta keep at it. Alrighty? And so I'm just gonna keep cutting more as I go. Oh my god. This is what I have right now. I want more bang. Should I get more bang? I'm just gonna keep going. I actually want to see how it looks like just straight. This will be probably a fail video because that's my life. Oh my god. feel like I need more hair, so I'm gonna add more hair. I'm gonna make it more obtuse. I sometimes don't have a clue of what I'm doing, and I just hope for the best most of the time. I don't know if I want them like really short this time, because usually they're about this length, but I don't know if I want to like, I think I will, just a little bit. Just a little bit more, guys. Holy nuts. Gotta comb it out, okay? Always comb it out. I think it just looks weird also just because I haven't... Should I cut that much? Oh my god. Yeah, just do it. It's just hair. It's gonna grow out fast anyways. Getting somewhere. Oh my gosh, I missed having bangs. I have hair all over my face. The hair was in my eye. Ow! Should I go shorter? I think I'm gonna texturize them now. I need more in the middle. Like, I don't know if this is enough bang.
Let's just snip them like right now, like.
Again, I could be doing this completely wrong.
I can't see. The perspective got me messed up. Feel like I just want more. I don't know what I'm doing at this point. I don't know what to do.
Okay, so this is what we got right now. I don't know how I feel about it. I feel like I need to texturize the middle more. Like, I don't know what to do about that. I don't know, I still might fix it, but I don't know. I hate that, actually, so. I'm obviously gonna make it better, but I don't know. I feel like this side's already like that. This one. Get it out of the way because we need to Focus. That side's dumb. Guys, I'm honestly struggling today. This is usually a piece of cake, but I don't know, I'm actually cutting them shorter than how I normally do it, so I think I hate it, so at this point I got nothing to lose. Just kidding, I could actually make it worse, Melissa. If you keep cutting. I don't know why I keep cutting. I don't know why I keep cutting. I don't know why I keep cutting. I think I don't mind it though. Like honestly, I have the longer layers to fix it if I did want my edges to be longer, so I'm not stressing out about that. It's just more on the like middle part that I'm like, I don't know if I need more hair from the top of my head. Does that make sense? I don't know. That's as good as it's gonna get, honestly. But that's basically what I do, guys. I just figure it out myself. If you want bangs, just go for it. It's a fun time, alright? If you guys enjoyed this video, I don't know, it's kind of random, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. I'll be posting it on my Instagram if you guys want to see a picture of that. But yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Bye! 32 minutes? Are you joking? Give it a thumbs up. I don't know if I already said that. And don't be afraid to cut your own hair, because at the end of the day, it's just hair. Doesn't matter. And just do whatever you want with it. Even though you have long-term goals of growing out your bangs and not coming back to them ever again. Okay? It happens. Just sometimes we just gotta go back to our roots to feel good. Okay? I'm actually digging this. Like, I missed having bangs. I don't know. It makes me look like I'm 12 years old. That would be cool.
I'm a different woman, okay?
Girl, correction, because I look like I'm 12 years old. Alright. See you guys soon. Bye.